Chapter 13 Machines All Around. Learning Objectives. 1. Importance of science in our lives. 2. Different works of machines. This washing machine goes swish, swash, swish. The fridge and the freezer go hmm, hmm, hmm. The mobile rings, the radio sings. The vacuum cleaner goes vroom. The tumble dryer goes wumpty flump. The toaster just goes pop. The DVD hums and the TV runs, and they all go on till they stop. Find meaning. Freezer, a place in fridge to keep food and other things frozen. Tumble dryer, a machine to dry wash clothes. Hums, a low continuous sound. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. What does a washing machine do? Answer. A washing machine goes swish, swash, swish. B. Why do we use a mobile phone? Answer. We use a mobile to stay updated. C. What is the name of the poet? Answer. Kachi Henderson. Find their meanings. A. Toaster, an electronical machine for toasting breads. B. Television, an electronic equipment of a box shape in which the entertainment program are shown. C. Machine, a piece of equipment with moving parts that is designed for a particular job. D. Freezer, a place in fridge to keep things frozen. E. Cleaner, a machine used to clean the surroundings. Mobile, a telephone that you can carry around with you. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. The DVD hums and the TV runs. B. The tumble dryer goes wumpty flump. C. The mobile rings, the radio sings. Tick the right options. A. What is the sound of a washing machine? 1. Swish, swash, swish. 2. Swoosh, swish, swoosh. 3. Swash, swoosh, swash. 1. Swish, swash, swish. B. What does the fridge do? 1. Cook. 2. Freeze. 3. Both A and B. 2. Freeze. C. What does the vacuum cleaner do? 1. Clean. 2. Arrange. 3. None of the above. 1. Clean. Match the following. Column A. Washing machine, vacuum cleaner, oven. Column B. Oven, washing machine, vacuum cleaner. Communication. Writing skills. Write 5 lines on your favorite machine. Reading skills. Read the rhyme with your partner in the classroom and discuss its meaning. Here we are at a point in time, reading through this book of rhyme. But with my fancy machine time, we can travel to 11:13. All these gears will spin around me. Then this clock will make a sound Back and forth will go in time around before we arrive at the end of the rhyme. Show me a future where I can shine.